We'll guide you through how to set up a round robin in Calendly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website, log into your account, and head over to the event types page. Now, to set up a round robin, you need to create a new event type, click on new event type, and then select collective as the type of event. This is crucial because the round robin feature works through a collective setup where multiple team members are involved. Once you've selected collective, you'll be prompted to add team members. You can invite them by entering their email addresses. Next, you need to configure the availability. Click on availability, and here you can set the times when you and your team members are available for meetings. Make sure these times align with your team's schedules to ensure the round robin functions smoothly. After setting availability, you can go to event details to customize the name, location, and description of your event. It's important to make this information clear for your invitees, then scroll down to the invitee questions section if you want to gather specific information from your clients. You can add questions that your invitees need to answer when booking. Once everything is set up, click Save and Close to finalize your round robin event. Now you can share the event link with your clients, and Calendly will automatically distribute bookings evenly among your team members based on their availability. This ensures a fair and balanced distribution of meetings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.